Good morning guys and welcome back to the channel. I am throwing myself together really quick because we are going to the pumpkin patch today and I thought it would be so much fun to bring you along with us. It's just going to be a really fun fall day. We're going to go to the pumpkin patch. I'm making a zucchini lasagna tonight. I need to do a workout, so I just thought it would be a fun day to vlog and bring you guys along with me. So I'm just throwing myself together really quick so that we can get out of the house. I say really quick and my family's like, no, not really. They're already ready. That's okay. This is the Rare Beauty bronzing stick, but I use it as a contour stick and I love it. It's so creamy. Blends out effortlessly. I love it. Anyway, if you guys want to spend a fun fall day with me, come along. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let's go to the pumpkin patch. All right guys, this is the finished look. I'm just gonna go in with my favorite lip combo lately, which is the Morphe Backseat Love lip liner that I have been loving for a long time now. It's just the perfect peachy nude and I love it. And then MAC, oh my goodness, Love Nectar, which has honestly been a favorite since like high school. Crazy. And we're ready to go. So let's go. On our way home from the pumpkin patch, we decided to continue the fun and stop at our favorite winery. We played bocce ball and cornhole and it was just so much fun. Guys, we are back from our fun fall adventures and I'm gonna make a smoothie before I jump into my workout. I actually just looked up this recipe from one of my YouTube videos from last year. It's like a delicious pumpkin spice smoothie recipe and I was craving it yesterday and I was like, I just ended up making my green smoothie yesterday. So I'm gonna show you guys, I don't have exactly all of the ingredients that were in that from last year, but we're just gonna throw together what I have and see how it tastes. So we're gonna make a smoothie together really quick and then we'll jump into a workout. Not what I remember it to be. All right, you guys, I realized I forgot to put the pumpkin pie spice in there and the collagen protein. So let's see, we try it again. There you go. Tastes so much better. I just did a heaped teaspoon of the pumpkin pie spice and 1 scoop of collagen peptides. So good. You miss one little thing. Can't be a pumpkin spice smoothie without pumpkin spice in it. Okay, cheers. I'm gonna eat this outside with Liv and then I'm gonna jump into a workout. I'll show you guys what I'm doing and then we're gonna make some delicious zucchini lasagna for dinner tonight. So all right, you guys, I'm getting ready to jump into a workout and I had filmed a whole thing on what I was doing because I have put myself on a 6-week progressive overload program. But if you can tell, my camera for some reason went to slow-mo mode, so you can't actually hear me. So this has been my favorite way to work out lately. It's just been, turning on some really loud music and lifting weights. I will leave what I did in this workout in the description box down below if you guys want to try it out. I did 6 to 8 reps of each. I did every round twice, and I did a lower weight the first round, and I tried to push into my heavier weights in the second round, and I felt so good afterwards. So if you guys try this workout, let me know in the comments down below. All right, you guys, let's make some delicious dinner together. Tonight we're making zucchini lasagna, and I actually made up this recipe for my girlfriend a couple months ago when she had surgery, and my family absolutely loves it. So you definitely have to give it a try. Fun fact, I used to make lasagna all the time in college, and so this is so much fun for me to make. Plus, bonus, it's a much healthier option. Don't forget to go tag me on Instagram if you try it. I'm at CharleneTown_. I can't wait to see your guys' recipes. The full recipe will be listed in the description box down below. It's on my website, charlenetown.com, so go check it out, get the ingredients, and give it a try. This one is so good, you don't want to miss it. That's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it, babe. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.